Barefoot Beach Club Hotel in St. Petersburg, Florida. Got a microwave, some cupboard space, anything in here, ice buckets, toaster, all your glassware, crockery. And giving us some washing up liquids, teas and coffees. Full size fridge, looks brand new. Wow, very cool. Iron, bin and whatnot. Extra blankets, pillows, storage, ironing board. But the king size room with a sea view. Got a chest of drawers here. Very nice. It's like a nice big comfy bed. Separate area, so the lounge area. Got a table with 2 chairs, big TV. Nice comfortable sofa, aircon, nice art. AC, there's our view. Not bad. This is Boxing Day, 23rd of December, 26th of December, 23 even. Patio furniture, the wife. Not a bad view. Very nice indeed. One last thing. Bathroom seems to be a bit of a wet room. It's a stand-up shower. And the amenities they give you. Shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. You got a hairdryer, plenty of towels. There we have it. Barefoot Beach Club, St. Petersburg. King Ocean View room, very nice.